This presentation is about integrating artificial intelligence into pedagogical programs and teaching. An effective AI integration plan for schools begins by setting clear, measurable goals, such as improving student engagement or streamlining administrative tasks. Next, schools should focus on building capacity by providing professional development for educators to foster AI literacy and responsible use, and integrate AI concepts into the curriculum. A crucial step is establishing clear, transparent guidelines for AI usage addressing ethical considerations, data privacy, and potential risks like bias and academic misconduct. Finally, schools must continuously evaluate the impact of AI tools on student learning and teacher efficiency, measuring results against the initial goals to iterate and improve the integration process. To effectively integrate AI in an educational institution, we need to begin with setting clear, measurable goals. These goals are closely related to each institution context, strategy, or long-term development plan, and they might include improving student engagement, supporting teachers in their work, streamlining administrative tasks, and others. Once the goals are defined, the next step is to build capacity and knowledge. This means offering professional development and training for teachers and school staff, so they can understand how AI works, what its limitations are, and how it can be used responsibly. At the same time, students also need to develop AI literacy, learning how to use these tools critically, effectively, and ethically. Reflecting on how to include AI literacy into curriculum is a parallel direction to explore at school level. A third step, thus, to starting revising the curriculum and choose appropriate tools. This could involve weaving AI-related topics into existing subjects, or introducing frameworks such as the AI for K-12, 5 Big Ideas, or OECD AI Literacy Curriculum Framework. Schools should also be careful in selecting tools that are safe, protect student data, and follow strong ethical principles. Fourth, schools must establish guidelines and safeguards. This means developing clear policies that address issues such as plagiarism, deepfakes, impersonation, or other forms of misuse. It also means protecting privacy, complying with data protection regulations such as GDPR, and making sure that AI tools do not reinforce bias or discrimination. Transparency is crucial. Students, parents, and staff should all know where, when, and how AI tools are being used, and how the data is handled. Finally, implementation and evaluation are essential. Schools should design engaging project-based activities that let students explore how AI can be applied in creative and practical ways. The impact of these tools on learning and teaching should be monitored regularly, measuring things like student comprehension, teacher efficiency, and satisfaction. Based on this feedback, the AI plan should be updated and improved continuously. Altogether, the AI strategy can be summarized in 5 steps. First, set clear objectives. Second, build capacity and knowledge. Third, revise curriculum and tools. Fourth, establish guidelines and safeguards. And finally, fifth, implement and evaluate. This module draws on references from organizations such as the World Economic Forum, EducationalAI, and SchoolAI, as well as other research sources. It is part of the EducationalAI project, which is funded by the European Union under the Erasmus program. The opinions expressed in this module are entirely of the creators of these materials. Neither the European Union nor the European Education and Culture Executive Agency can be held responsible for the content of this publication.